Solve the proportions. We have 15 over 2x equals x over 10. Remember that with a proportion, you can multiply the upper left times the lower right and set that equal to the lower left times the upper right. That gives us 150 equals 2x squared. Since we want to solve for x, we need to divide by 2 on both sides first. That will mean that x squared is equal to 75. Now we need to get the x all alone, so I am copying and then going to take the square root of both sides. And of course that will give me plus and minus the square root of 75. 75, if I break it down, perhaps we'll be able to look a little bit better. 2 does not go into 75, but 3 does. 3 goes in twice, and then with the 5 gives us 25. Now I can take 5 into that 5 times. So since 75 can be written as 3 times 5 times 5, I can break down the square root of 75 to the square root of 3 times 25. That leaves me with plus and minus 5 square root of 3 is equal to x. So we have two results, plus and minus 5 square root of 3. Okay, let's do the other problem. Once again, I'm going to do upper left times lower right. That will be 3x times x, which equals the lower left times the upper right, 2 times 24. On the left I have 3x squared. On the right I have 48. Once again we need to get the x squared alone, so we will divide by 3 on both sides. And 3 goes into 48 16 times. Now I'm ready to take the square root of both sides, and I will have x equals plus and minus 4 as the result.